Tired of wrestling with messy, disconnected data? Your most valuable insights are often trapped in separate files. Manually joining them is slow, tedious, and error-prone. Introducing the DatumFuse.AI Harmonization Suite, the intelligent, no-code solution to unify your data. Let's see how it works. Here, we have two different files, customer data and shopping data. Notice the problem? The ID columns have different names and formats. Contact ID is a number, while customer ID is text. A normal join would fail. Our goal is to merge these files seamlessly. Step 1. Upload your datasets. Just select your two CSV files. Then click Upload and Analyze. This is where the AI magic begins. Our system analyzes the content of each column and intelligently suggests how to match them. It correctly identified that Contact ID matches Customer ID. You get a high-confidence suggestion, but you are always in control. Let's accept the AI's recommendations. Step 2. Configure the join. The AI highlights the best columns to link your data. Now for the real power, AI key transformation. The AI detected the different formats in our ID columns. It automatically suggests a transformation to make them match. With one click, we approve. No manual cleaning, no coding. Now, we'll choose our join type and click Perform Join. In seconds, the job is complete. The workbench shows a summary of our newly merged dataset. Let's download the file and see the result. Perfect. The two messy files are now one clean, unified dataset. Now the best part, let's visualize this new data. We can seamlessly send our merged file to the charting studio. Our AI again suggests the best chart types for our new data. Let's quickly create a chart showing sales totals by item category. And there it is, a professional, presentation-ready chart in seconds. Massive time savings, reduced human error, deeper, more powerful insights. This is the power of DatumFuse.AI. Stop wrestling with data. Start making decisions. DatumFuse.AI. Try it free during our public beta.